Why does your path feel heavier than others? Why do some people seem to coast through life while you're met with challenge after challenge? Let me tell you a truth that might shake you. The hardest roads are given to the strongest souls, not as a punishment, but as a call to greatness. Rumi, the mystic poet, once wrote, "Try not to resist the changes that come your way. Instead, let life live through you." What if your struggle isn't here to break you, but to transform you into someone extraordinary? Today, let's uncover the deeper meaning behind your challenges and why your path, though tougher, is shaping you for something greater. No two journeys are the same, because no two souls are the same. Each soul comes into this world with its own purpose, its own lessons, and its own challenges. At a soul level, we all stem from the divine, sharing the same source of light. But once we manifest into this physical world, our paths diverge, shaped by the roles we are meant to play and the growth we are here to achieve. Why do some souls take on heavier burdens? It's because their growth requires it. Growth doesn't happen in ease, it happens in transformation. Some are here to navigate simplicity, to learn the joys of contentment. But your soul signed up for something more profound. The complexity of your path mirrors the depth of your spirit. Rumi said, "Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth." The struggles you face are not random. They're part of your initiation, a process designed to shape you, refine you, and prepare you for mastery. The people whose lives seem easier, they're walking a different road, one that doesn't demand the same depth of transformation. Their path isn't yours, and that's okay. Your challenges aren't here to punish you, they're here to awaken you. It's easy to feel singled out, to wonder why the weight feels heavier on your shoulders. But consider this, the universe doesn't assign its hardest lessons to those who are weak. It entrusts them to those who are destined to rise. Your challenges are not signs of neglect or abandonment, they're signs of trust. The divine God, or whatever you believe in, sees something in you that's ready to evolve. Think of tempered steel. It starts as raw metal, unyielding but brittle. Only through the intense heat of the forge and repeated hammering does it become both strong and flexible, capable of withstanding immense pressure. That's you. Your challenges are not here to break you. They are shaping you into someone who can face anything, someone who is unshakable. Those without your struggles may never develop the depth of resilience or the power of transformation you are being called to embody. So ask yourself, why me? And then answer, because I am being forged into something extraordinary, because I am capable, because I am ready. Remember, never ever compare. Comparison is the thief of joy, but it's also the thief of perspective. When you compare your journey to others, you're looking at the surface of their lives, not the depths of their soul. That person who seems to have it all, their struggles may be hidden, their lessons different. Their path, while appearing easy, may lack the depth and growth that yours demands. Carl Jung, the renowned psychologist and thinker, said, "Your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart." Instead of asking why their life is easier, turn inward and ask yourself, what is my soul trying to teach me through this moment? Your challenges are tailored to you, perfectly aligned with the growth your soul is here to achieve. Comparison blinds you to that truth and robs you of the clarity that your journey is exactly as it's meant to be. The truth is, the toughest journeys often belong to those destined for spiritual mastery. The weight of your challenges is not here to crush you, it's here to teach you. Every setback is a lesson in resilience, every hardship a lesson in strength, and every moment of doubt an opportunity for faith. Michael Beckwith, a spiritual teacher, said it best, "The pain pushes you until the vision pulls you." Pain is the catalyst, but it's not the destination. Your journey is preparing you to step into a role you may not yet see, a creator, a guide, a leader. The pain you feel now is temporary, but the mastery it's shaping in you is eternal. Don't just survive the struggle, rise above it. Become the version of yourself that this path is calling you to be. The stories that inspire us most are never about those who had it easy. They're about those who faced adversity, who stumbled, who questioned everything, and rose again. Your journey, with all its trials and triumphs, is becoming one of those stories. It's shaping you into someone who doesn't just endure life but transforms it. You're not just living a story, you're writing a legacy. Ask yourself, what will my story say about me? Will it speak of courage, of growth, of rising despite the odds? You are not alone on this path. Every challenge you face connects you to countless souls walking their own roads of transformation. You're part of a lineage of overcomers, of seekers, of those who choose to rise above the comfort of ease. The journey may be tough, but the rewards, peace, purpose, and mastery are beyond measure. The next time you ask, why me? Remember this, it's you because you're capable. It's you because you're ready. It's you because the universe sees something extraordinary in you. Embrace the challenges, not as burdens, but as the stepping stones to your spiritual mastery. The road is hard because you're here to become remarkable. Are you ready to rise?